On my last video, I was explaining that winter's coming. In the UK, winter's coming. So I thought to myself, that was a good video on what you could potentially purchase for winter. But here's another one which is more general release, where it's likely that if you did want to go out and purchase, you'll be able to buy. However, it is slightly different from what is normal. Is it a sneaker? Is it a boot? Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Timberland Killington Chukka. Now, I thought this would be an interesting video to do, only because this is not exactly a sneaker. Now we know that a lot of companies who haven't delved into the sneaker world have jumped in. And Timberland is just another company that have jumped in. You all know when someone says Timberland, it's all about being rugged, tough, strong, rugged, mud, dirt, sand, messy. And then you got the other Timberland, which is more lifestyle, hip hop, all that type of tongues out, big 6-inch ankle boot, them type of things there. Now, I really don't like those boots, and it's only because there's a stereotype, and maybe I'm being biased here, but you know, that type of stereotype. That's not saying I don't like it, but it's back in the day, old school hip hop. But I suspect, you know, in America, New York especially, the Tims are off the hook. That's a go-to for them, which I respect that. You know, I respect that. I just think, for me, I haven't managed to put that in my collection or get it to work for me. However, these are slightly different. They're a bit more slicker. They are lighter, definitely, and they just look more modern. That's just me, and that's my opinion. Now these, I can't even remember when I bought these. These are quite old, and I know they're quite a few years old, but they're still going, and you can still find them on the Timberland site. These in particular are £115. Now, that is not bad for the type of boot and sneaker. Now, when you say boots, the upper resembles a boot, so that's why I'll say boot. And in terms of what Timberland have done with this particular boot, I'm getting confused around here, but this particular boot is they married it up with a sole which looks like a sneaker sole, sneaker type sole. So I'm going to talk about the attribute of the sole. They're using a sensor flex type technology, which is akin to a sneaker. So it talks about flexibility, it talks about stable, it talks about, you know, cushioning as well. The midsole has EVA material, the outsole is a rubber material, and as you can see, the grip is quite cool. I do like the black and the white, and also like the Timberland logo right bang in the middle, as well as whatever this is. And I also like the sensor flex embossed in the traction pad, let's say. In terms of the material, the upper is nubuck, and to be honest, it actually feels really good. It doesn't feel cheap, and for £115, I think that's quite good. And I believe that's a testimony to Timberland and what Timberland is about. In terms of their products, the products are quite quality. You also got stitching, the typical stitching that you'll see on most Timberlands. Good quality, no issues with that. I do like this around the ankle. You won't be able to get this colorway because this is slightly older, but you can get this tan. You can get this tan colorway. However, you won't get this ankle colorway. You will get the slightly darker version. It's not that far from this. I think both colors are nice. You also get towards the heel the Timberland sign, which is nice. And on the eyelet, you got this, what's that? A hexagon type eyelet, which I believe is, it does feel like metal. Yeah, I think the ringlet is metal. You get on the laces has some silver bits within it, and they are reflective. On the tongue, you can see that the tongue has got a different type of material, more of a mesh type material, and then on the upper part of the tongue, it goes back to the suede nubuck. You get the Timberland sign on the top of the tongue, and inside it is, on the top part of the sock liner, it is leather lined. I think that is a good look. I did say earlier on that it does feel quality. On foot, it feels quality. I wouldn't wear it with tracksuit, but you can. I think you get away with it, but I will wear it with jeans, and it definitely is a good look. It does smart it up. It does give you that smart casual vibe, more on the smarter side. On foot, very comfortable. For a Timberland boot, I haven't worn many Timberland boots, but I've worn boots, and I know boots are quite solid. And these particular ones, it doesn't feel like a boot, it does feel like a sneaker. I would say buy true to size. I don't have no issues with it, and I can wear this all day. Let me know what you think. It's just my thoughts, bringing you something slightly different, and also it's something that is quite current. Even though I bought this several years ago, you can still buy them now, and I do think it's really nice, really comfortable, and for winter, definitely it is something that you can wear that and you'll feel comfortable and have no issue with any weather, adverse weather. You'll feel nice and warm. Your toes will feel toasty. Anyway, this has been Sneaky Peeks. I've been Obi. If you've got anything to say, comment down below, and like that,